Download the Field Service app from Apple or Google App Store. Find all your assigned work orders at the Schedule tab for an overview of your tasks. Tap on a work order at the Schedule screen to see more information. In the Actions menu, you have several helpful options. One of them is Image Upload. This feature enables you to take a new photo or upload one from the camera roll and add it to the work order. You can add a description and decide if it should be attached to the service report. Another feature is the Update Service Report language, where you can change the language of the service report. This is especially helpful if you are doing cross-border service. Update status accordingly on your work as you progress in the Actions menu. You can create a service report to document your work. And have it signed by your customer. It can be either from the work order, including all order lines, or from individual work order line items for an asset-dedicated report. Open the Service Van inventory by clicking the Inventory tab. This will show all materials and service products available for the work order. Add specific asset information and add products consumed by tapping the work order line item on the worker order overview screen. Technical details on an asset can be updated from the work order line item level. This can be software version, operating hours, and other elements. You can reschedule the work by opening the Actions menu and enter a new date and time. When you finish your service job, change status needs to be reviewed by Danfoss. Then it will be processed and completed by a Danfoss service agent.